Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Today we are diving into the realm of Midjourney's Custom Style Tuner, a tool that lets you craft your visual aesthetics. I'm here to guide you through this mind-blowing journey. So let's talk about creating your own artistic vision with Midjourney's Custom Style Tuner. With the Custom Style Tuner, you have the power to reshape your image look using your own prompts. It's like having a personal stylist for your creations. The best part, you get to fine-tune your preferences and see what your images might look like in a various aesthetic combination. To start, choose a prompt that aligns with the type of images you love. While the Midjourney team suggests prompts with no parameters, feel free to experiment. In Discord, type /tune followed by your prompt. Select the number of pairs you want, 16, 32, 64, or 128. Since tuning consumes GPU hours, especially for larger numbers, consider starting small. The pre-configured 30 pairs in the Style Tuner seems just right. Let's go with 32 pairs as our default. Click Submit and voila! Midjourney informs you of the GPU hours it will consume. In a few minutes, you'll receive a link to the Style Tuner page. Now, the fun part, choosing from pairs of stylistic images generated from your prompt. Remember, you don't need to select for every pair. Just pick the ones you love. Once you have made your choices, copy the prompt plus the style codes, run it in Discord, and watch your prompts transform into a unique masterpiece. The beauty here, you can use the style code on any prompt, not necessarily this one you used for the test. Play around, make different choices, and discover your preferred style. Now, let's shake things up. Try the same process with a random prompt devoid of style words. Create a style tuner with 64 pairs and notice the option to choose between Midjourney's default and raw style mode. The possibilities are vast. Select your favorites and copy the style codes. Run them with your prompts and witness the magic unfold. Have you tried the custom style tuner? Share your favorite style codes and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of unique visual storytellers. Managing your favorite style codes is crucial. Use /preferred option set. In the message bar, assign a memorable name and click a value to enter the code. This way, you can keep track of your preferred style effortlessly. The Midjourney Custom Style Tuner is a game changer, offering endless possibilities for your creative endeavors. Experiment, explore, and shape your unique styles with the world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue making amazing things together. Thanks!